Diseases that can kill your dog. Dogs are believed to be the possibly best companions for humans, a true friend who would listen to all your rants and stay loyal to you. They are loved members of many families, giving compassion, happiness, and emotional support. Moreover, dogs and children are similar in many aspects, one of which is their vulnerability to infections from time to time. It is your obligation as a pet owner to keep an eye out for harmful diseases that may damage your dog and have significant effects. Several vaccines are given to dogs to keep them safe from the danger that lies ahead. In today's video, we will list down all the possible dangerous diseases that could even kill your dog. Let's begin. Number 6. Canine distemper. A very infectious viral illness that can be lethal to dogs is canine distemper. It mainly affects the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and neurological systems. As you can tell, all of these systems play a very significant role in maintaining our health and survival. Any sort of problem in these areas can cause fever, coughing, vomiting, diarrhea, and even seizures. The impact of this disease is not limited to the one who has caught it. In fact, if another dog comes into contact with the infected dog, the virus is easily spread. Vaccination is the most effective strategy to avoid this disease, and early treatment is critical for sick dogs. Number 5. Leptospirosis. The bacterial illness. Leptospirosis can afflict dogs and other several animals. It is spread by contact with polluted urine or water. Now animals don't always know the kind of environment they are roaming in. It can produce symptoms such as fever, muscular discomfort, vomiting, and diarrhea. It can also cause renal and liver failure. What happens next if any of these systems totally fail? Yes, in some circumstances, death is the ultimate consequence. Therefore, dogs at risk should be vaccinated. Number 4. Heartworm infection. Heartworm illness is caused by a parasitic worm spread by mosquitoes. Worms develop in infected dogs' hearts, lungs, and blood vessels, causing symptoms such as coughing, lethargy, and weight loss. If the condition is not addressed timely, it can lead to heart failure. Does the body function without a heart? Nope. The infected dog eventually succumbs to death. Number 3. Rabies. Rabies is a viral illness that damages the nervous system and is virtually always deadly. It is spread by infected animals' saliva, mainly through bites or scratches. Symptoms might include fever, convulsions, paralysis, and aggressiveness. Vaccination is the most effective approach to preventing dogs from rabies. Plus, if your dog gets into a fight with another dog, make sure to see a vet right after. Number 2. Parvovirus. Parvovirus is a highly infectious illness that affects dogs of all ages, but especially pups. The virus damages the gut lining, causing severe vomiting, diarrhea, and dehydration. It can potentially harm the cardiac muscles, causing sudden death in rare situations. Contact with an infected animal spreads the virus, which may even exist in the environment for several months. Puppies that have not been vaccinated are obviously more at risk. Therefore, prompt care and treatment are critical to their survival. Number 1. Bloat, also known as gastric torsion or twisted stomach, can be fatal in dogs with wide chests. Let's say breeds like Great Danes and Weimaraners have high risks of falling victim to this deadly disease. It happens when the dog's stomach fills with gas and twists on itself, obstructing blood flow and preventing the dog from burping or vomiting. Restlessness, stomach discomfort, and fast breathing are common symptoms, and the unfortunate part is that the disease can swiftly escalate to shock and death. To straighten the twisted stomach, emergency surgery is necessary, and safety precautions such as feeding small meals and avoiding activities after eating can help lessen the risk. Now make sure to keep these fluffy babies safe and healthy. And don't forget to press the subscribe button so you can know more about pets and their maintenance. Pet